Hey everyone, it's Kenny. Today I'll be showing you 5 beginner pole spins you probably forgot about. As a beginner, I'm pretty sure your instructor probably went over a pirouette, a dip turn, a backspin, and a fireman spin. But there's so many other pole spins that we just forget about, especially as we progress into the advanced stages of pole dancing. So I'm here to remind you of 5 beginner pole spins. Are you ready? I know this was a pretty quick video, but I just wanted to showcase 5 spins you probably forgot about, but you should definitely add to your list of pole moves and your routines. So stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how you feel. If there are any other spins you would like to see, please let me know that as well.